Today I want to start with the last session of Boolean Algebra, that is session number 15. Whereas in this chapter, already I explained regarding min-term, how to solve the min-term K-map. Today I am going to explain how to solve the Maxterm by using K-map. For example, before studying that, I want to know how to write the K-map for 2 variable, for 3 variable, that I am going to explain you. If you have, that is product of sum reduction using K-map, on that if you have 2 variables, then x and y, totally 4 cell will get, one is x and one more is y. Whereas in min-term, what we have done, first bar we have written. For example, if you have 2 variables, then x, y, y. First bar, and then for the second one non-bar we have written, that is non-complement. Whereas for Maxterm, first it is non-bar, non-complement, then once again it will be complement. X, y, here x bar, y. Now this cell represents x plus y, whereas this cell corresponding row is x plus column is y bar. This x bar plus y, whereas x bar plus y bar, corresponding row and corresponding column you have to take. For 3 variables, x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z bar, x plus y bar plus z bar. Next, this cell represents x plus y bar plus z, whereas here x bar plus y plus z, x bar plus y plus z bar, x bar plus y bar plus z bar, x bar plus y bar plus z. If you have 3 variables, wx, whereas in min-term for first 3 bar and then for the last one we used to write bar. But for the Maxterm, for first 3 and for the last one, it is non-complement. For the remaining it will be complemented. Now this cell represents w plus x plus y plus z. Here w plus x plus y plus z bar, w plus x plus y bar plus z bar. Now w plus x plus y bar plus z. Now here w plus x bar plus y plus z. Here corresponding row w plus x bar plus y plus z bar. Now once again w plus x bar plus y bar plus z bar. Now the next cell represents w plus x bar plus y bar plus z. Now once again w bar plus x bar plus y plus z, w bar plus x bar plus y plus z bar, corresponding row, corresponding column we have to consider. W bar plus x bar plus y bar plus z bar. Once again w bar plus x bar plus y bar plus z. Now for the last one, w bar plus x plus y plus z. Now once again w bar plus x plus y plus z bar, w bar plus x plus y bar plus z bar. Next w bar plus x plus y bar plus z for 4 variable. Then what is the difference between min-term and Maxterm? In min-term, in between we used to write product format, that is dot format, whereas in Maxterm we write plus. And in min-term for first 3 bar and then for the last one bar, whereas in Maxterm for the first 3 we are not supposed to put any bar, for the remaining next 4 you have to put bar, and for the last one don't put any bar. Now we will explain few K-map problems by using Maxterm, whereas in the previous class we explained how to solve K-map especially by using min-term. Now Maxterm, that will explain now. Now for example, consider the question, find the minimum, POS stands for product of sum, expression of y of A, B, C, D equals pi of 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 10, 14, 15. See the difference between mean term and max term? In mean term, on this place we write sigma, whereas if it is max term, here we'll write pi. Then totally 4 variables, then you write the cells, 4 cells only, 4 row and 4 columns. But here first A plus B, this part represents C plus D. Now write on the variable as it is, A plus B, A plus B, A plus B, A plus B. Here also C plus D, C plus D, C plus D, C plus D. Whereas in min term, what we are doing for the first 3 bar and then for the last 1 bar. But here for the first 3 don't put any bar. Next for 4 variables write on bar. 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Now wherever they given the value, there you have to write 0. Whereas in min term we write 1. Now before identifying, write on the cell letter 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. For 0 cell, here write on 0. Next for 1, write on 0. For 3, 0. For 5, it will be 0. For 6 also 0. 7. Next for 10. For 10. Next for 14. Next for 15. For the remaining cell, write on 1. Whereas in min term, wherever they given the values, there you use write 1. Whereas in max term, wherever they given the value, there you have to put 0. Now we have to circle the zeros, whether it is a quad format, pair format, octet format or roll mapping. But here you have to consider 0. Now see the expression, this especially this K map, which pattern here it is possible. 3 I cannot take, then first what I will do, I am going to take pair. I can consider the pair. This is the first pair. Next I can take the quad here. Quad is possible here. Once again check, here is it possible to quad any variable? No. Then here take down one more quad. One more quad. Next, here only 1 0 here. Then don't take single, make it as pair. This is pair. Therefore, then how to write the reduced form? And before identifying the reduced form, write on the expression. First, I'm going to take first quad. Take down first 2 rows. On this first 2 rows, which is the common factor? A is the common factor. A plus. Column wise, see these 2 columns. C, C bar here. D bar, D bar. Common factor is D bar. Whereas here A is the common factor. In column wise, D bar is the common factor. But here I used to write plus symbol, whereas in min term I used to write dot operator. Now this represents the first quad. Now I'm going to take the second quad. Second quad value equals. This quad I'm going to take on this. B bar is the common factor plus. See the column wise here. D bar D will cancel, the common factor will be C bar. Now is it clear? Next take on the pair. First pair. First pair. Take down the first pair. On this only 1 row we have, that's why A plus B. But column wise we have 2 columns, that's why on these 2 columns the common factor will be C only, plus C. Second pair equals. Second, this is the second pair. Now on this pair, what is the common factor? A bar becomes the common factor. But column wise, only 1 column we have, that's why C bar plus D. Therefore, reduced form equals. First, I'm going to take first one, A plus D bar. A plus D bar. Here in between dot operator there. Whereas in min term, we used to write plus operator. Next. B bar plus C bar dot A plus B plus C dot A bar plus C bar plus D. This is the final reduced form for the given K-map. A, B, C, D, then A, D bar, B bar, C, A bar, B, C bar, D. Now, we will explain with one more problem. Same pattern in the question, you have to check whether it is in mean term form or it is in max term form. Before solving the equation, that you have to check. Otherwise, you will lose the marks. Given f of A, B, C, D equals sigma of pi of 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 14. Pi of, use K-map to reduce the function. To reduce the function f. Second question, under this, write a logic gate diagram. Logic gate diagram for the reduced expression. For the reduced expression. Now see the question, totally 4 variables here we have. The 4 variables, that's why write down for 4 variables. First A plus B and here C plus D. A plus B, A plus B, A plus B, A plus B. Here C plus D, C plus D, C plus D, C plus D. For first 3 bar we used to write in mean term, whereas here for first 3 don't put any bar. Next 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now they are given the value for 0. Next for 2, 4, 6, 8, 8, 10, next for 14. For the remaining cell, write on 1, 1, 1. Now check roll map. Already I told you, first I have to check for roll map. If I have 1 here, then I can take octet, but here I don't have 1. Then what I have to do? I will take the roll map only for corridors. This corridors first I have to take. First 1 corridors. Next I can consider this corridor. These 2 I can take. Next 1 more here 1 I having. Then here don't take it as pair because here also we have 1 and with that it does not have any redundancy. That's why take down 1 more quad here. Therefore, first quad, I'm going to take the corridors. On this corridors, the common factor will be B plus in column wise the common factor will be D. Next second quad, I am going to take these 2. Then on this A is the common factor, A plus here the common factor will be D. The common factor will be D. Next I am to take this quad here, then third quad. Here the row y value will cancel, the remaining will be C bar plus D. Therefore, reduced form equals B plus D into A plus D into C bar plus D. Now for the given reduced form, write a logic gate diagram for the reduced expression. Now for the given reduced expression, now you have to write the logic gate. Then here B plus D, I am going to take B, then D. These two are combined with plus operator, that's why reverse C shape I have to consider. Next A and D, here I am to take the same D, otherwise if you want you can write one more D also, AD. Connect this with the C shape once again. Next CD, take down here C, but C bar here we have, that's why take it as C bar then D. Once again here C shape. All this are connected with dot operator, that's why I write down connect all this with D shape. This is the final reduced circuit diagram for the given equation. Like this, you will get one compulsory question on your annual exam for 5 marks. Solve the given equation by using K-map. See the question properly whether it is in min term form or it is in max term form. If it is min term form, in the question itself they will mention min term, otherwise they will write pi, otherwise they will write small m. From that only you come to know it is min term. If it is max term, then capital M, they will write max term only, otherwise they will write pi. Then you have to solve the given K-map. This completes your Boolean Algebra chapter. Thank you for all of you.